Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the Sinabis Writeblocker, a tool designed to give professionals secure read-only access to Drive. It is perfect for legal, forensic or sensitive business work because it ensures data integrity at every step. Here we have the Sinabis Writeblocker. Let's unbox it. This is the Writeblocker itself and all the connecting cables are in the box. Now let's see how easy it is to connect your media to the Writeblocker. This is the USB stick that could contain important data like legal evidence, investigation files, or confidential company documents. Now with the Sinabis Writeblocker, you can safely connect your drive and use Sinabis Explorer to review every file, folders, and a piece of metadata without making any changes to the original data. That means you can analyze the contents with complete confidence, knowing the evidence remains unchanged. And that's how the Writeblocker keeps your data safe. See you next time.